Westermans here with a Gullco GK-200 with an oscillating head, variable speed tractor. This unit's actually got wheel clamps for doing flexible track, and there is also flexible track available with magnets, both for internal and external welds. Oscillating head moving from side to side. Tractor on the speed with oscillation. Like I say, this is available with flexible track. Bearings can also be changed to use on the rigid track if required. As you can see, tractor is functioning as it should do. Main supply is 110 volts. More details available from Westermans.com. Other welding tractors in stock for MIG, sub-arc and occasional TIG tractors. Thank you for looking.